everybody, and welcome to my channel, and thanks for clicking on the video. Today I'm going to be showing an unboxing and initial startup of a brand new refurbished phone of excellent quality. So to understand my decision here, I was on the S20 FE previously, so a cheaper phone. I ran past the point where the security updates came to my phone and a lot of things weren't working, so I thought it was time for an upgrade. And if you're anything like me, I haven't bought a refurbished phone before and I'm not very phone savvy. But anyways, I decided to take a shot on some third-party sellers on reputable seller places like Best Buy and sort of see how it actually worked. And I just found I had a hard time trusting any of the reviews I've seen, and being new into it, I just kind of wanted to do some research. So if you're similar to me and you're not quite sure, then come along with me as I review this unboxing and sort of see how things go, and hopefully you'll have a similar experience to me if it goes well. Alright, so first things first was I bought the phone from Best Buy, and it was through the third-party resellers market, and I went through a company called ASCI, so ASCII, who knows how you call it. Anyways, I got the phone on a pretty good deal. It was just under $800 in Canadian, including tax, and it was on a sale for something like $400 some dollars off or something like that. Anyways, it was a good deal, and I decided to look at the ASCI page, and it had really good reviews. I even put it into Google AI to see what came up with it, and it said it was a premium seller and was pretty reputable, so kind of gave me the most confidence I could have when buying from a third-party seller. So anyways, I pulled the trigger, and it came within a week or so, so the shipping time was good, it was free. It just came in this box right here. So yeah, we'll give it a little bit of an open. Keep in mind that the one that I bought was an excellent quality refurbished, so hopefully it's going to look pretty darn good. So first thing you can see, there's the phone, and then there's also a little bit of a USB thing here. So it's just a two-ended cord. I don't know if there's a power brick or not, but just regular USB-C charger. And then the main star of the show right underneath it. So there was no charging box or anything like that, and that's okay. I have like a million of them already. I feel like most people probably will. But yeah, taking a first look at it, you have the bubble wrap that's inside and then a plastic coating on top, so it's packaged quite well. And yeah, there's the beauty. So first things first, just taking a look for that excellent refurbished quality, making sure there's no major dings or dents or scratches. I can almost see a little bit of wear and tear on the USB-C port, just on the outsides. You can see that it's had something dragged along there a little bit. But besides that, it's looking pretty darn good. There's a little plastic screen protector thing on the top. There's the S Pen in the bottom there. So that's good, that came with it, it wasn't missing. So now I'm going to take off the peel here, just so I can examine the screen a little better. And yeah, it looks like there's a little bit of smudging on the sides, but no cracks, nothing like that, just using the light to reflect it. But yeah, looks pretty good, came in the right color, the silver, titanium, whatever the heck it was. But yeah, I like it. Looks good on initial impressions. I'm not going to be ultra picky about that thing. I ultimately didn't want it to look like a piece of crap, so I'm going to now hold the power button and turn it on. I'm just going to hold up the phone here. Maybe I'll do a little wipe in the video to when it turns on, or we can just turn it on right away. Alright, we got a welcome message. It says to start. Alright, a brief intermission in here is that I need to have my SIM card in here in order to do some of the testing functions. So I'm just going to quickly do a factory reset, import all the stuff I need, and then I'm going to continue from there and hopefully let you know if things transferred okay. Alright, so I just went through the whole process of transferring my SIM card and then also doing the transfer between my two Samsung phones. So overall that probably took a couple hours because I was transferring like, I don't know, 40 gigabytes worth of videos and photos and stuff like that. So it was taking a hot minute. One thing I did want to include was with the shipping, they did not give me a little thing here, like a little key for getting your SIM card tray out. I had to find one from my old phone box that I kept with me. So I don't know, maybe if you have your paper clip laying around or something. I think something like that's worked for me before, so should have it, but nonetheless, it's always good to keep these keys with you when you can. But yeah, I was able to get everything updated. I put a Spiegen phone case on there. I had one for my old phone and it worked perfectly. I dropped that phone numerous times and stayed safe, so decided to go with that option, and then just doing the separate screen protectors. I haven't put that on yet, but yeah, I'm loving the screen so far. I set it to the not the ultra high definition resolution, but the one underneath it, just to save a little bit of battery life. It's not that important to me, but so far everything seems to be working great. I added a couple of the widgets that I wanted. I signed into all my apps. That seems to work good. Yeah, the next biggest thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to enter in that code to test to make sure that the phone is working all right. So I'm just going to go into the phone app there, and I'm going to enter *#0*#, and that immediately just brings up this screen here. So I can test for all these different things. Sorry, it's backwards on yours, but yeah, we're gonna first test to make sure that it's red. We can see that there's no bad pixels in there. Green, blue. Well, that seems to be working good. Vibration. Vibrates in my hands. Mega cam is the next one. So this shows the rear camera over there. So I'm just going to take a picture. Looks good. Then it's going to do the second rear picture. You'll see I'm watching a soccer video right now. And then rear 3. This one's the far one. You can see that working good. My desk fan. Ooh, and then the rear 4, it goes even further. All right. Yeah, you can see it just zooms in even further. Sensor. Do that next one. You can see it changes the data based on how the phone is being held and what it senses where. But it looks like all the numbers are moving there. Next one is touch. So now I'm gonna have to trace all these boxes and it'll show which ones I go over. But yeah, I'm just going to make sure that that fills in everything. All right, things worked good. It immediately exited when I filled in everything. But yeah, next up we're going to go to speaker. So it's playing off of both right now. Now it's just going to the bottom one, which I can tell the difference. The next one to the top, so all of the speakers are working. Then we have front cam, works good. Shows the black screen. It does present the black well. And then, yeah, S Pen. So this is one I haven't seen before. So it has the S Pen draw and S Pen hover. For the draw, I'm gonna very clearly see it is very precise. Any mistakes of not having squares captured is purely because I'm not a good artist and cannot draw in a straight line for the life of me. But yeah, that worked perfectly. And then S Pen hover. Oh, there we go. So I'm not even touching the screen right now. We're well off the screen, but it tracks it. And yeah, those are all kind of the main tests I want to look for. The phone seems good, so I'm just gonna exit out of that. And yeah, it looks awesome. Shout out to the Spiegen case too. I like that you can click it out. Can't really see it right now, but you can hold the phone in place there. I mean, I'm not used to buying refurbished phones. Like I said, this was my first one, and I was skeptical for a while. I'm not sure I want to buy somebody else's used phone, but surely enough, the quality looks excellent. It looks absolutely flawless. The build is nice. It feels weighty in my hand, but yeah, the buttons click nicely, all of them. There's no dings. The camera lenses look good. Yeah, I think it looks fantastic. I made a couple calls and texts to friends already, so it receives well. The SIM card's working. It was unlocked, so it just switched off immediately over to my carrier. And overall, I think it's looking like it was a real steal of a deal at $800 Canadian. I'd imagine that this is going to be the way I get my phones moving forward, because I can't bring myself to spending $1,600 to $2,000 plus for every new flagship phone that comes out. I can always wait a couple of years, and I believe the security updates on this phone go up until 2031 or something, so $800, get yourself a top quality phone, and that's going to last me for at least another 5 years. I think that's going to be a nice, perfect little compromise there for price and quality. Hopefully this video helped you guys, and hopefully it gets you over your initial fears of buying a refurbished phone like I did. This one's gone great for me. I can't say how the experience would go through Amazon Refurbished or any other third-party sellers, but for what I got for it, I'm super pleased, and perhaps down in the comment section I will update, I don't know, maybe a half year, full year down the road, just to make sure things are still holding up. I believe I have a 30-day replacement exchange in case something goes wrong right away, or a 1-year warranty and parts and service coverage. So I've gotten a lot of time to figure some stuff out. I'm sure it's going to get its use in for there, but yeah, hopefully your experience goes as smoothly as mine has so far. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.